Not too many souls on this globe truly know me, but y'all quick to judge, you can all fucking blow me. My mother said she believe I can achieve anything I wanna be, but the dreams ain't close enough to me, and they look like a mirage. Can't tell what I see, but I turn around and eyes on Keith, and these niggas talking shit like, bro, your stuff lease, and I know niggas better than you. You ain't peace, but to me they just bitches. To me they just critics. They run in their mouth as though they just lived it. See, part-time rappers, you'll never understand us. Do you grab pen and pads and write fucking stanzas? Come on, I need some answers. Calling on God like, can you please answer? We got world problems, everything is cancer. See, I can't make it without you. Said you never leave nor forsake, then why I'm here without you? Sorry if it feels like I doubt you. It feels like my head is what Satan's reaching out to, so please touch my heart. I'm trying my best to bring my niggas out the dark. I'm feeling like Moses in this day and age, so hopeless in this day and age, cause all the kids smoking in this day and age. Getting guns is like a token, the lack of the sage. My niggas can't make it, they put us in a cage. I'm feeling action packed with this rage, so hit space bar till we on the same page. Destroy your mind at once, so call a nigga tidal wave, hurricane. Call me what you want, I could give a damn, give a damn. Am who I said I am. Yes, I am that man that's making a stand on my own till I'm standing on your home, and I'm the man of the house. You niggas just some pussy, go and catch a fucking mouse. Had the blueprints in the basement cause I planned this shit out. I was cooking in your kitchen, grab some pans and I'm out. Plus I planned out the route, so I'm laughing at these suckers like the author of this shit. I ain't never been a buster, and she was cold hearted. I never could trust her, cause she a bloodsucker, and that there is real. See, if you feel this about you, then you should feel guilty. I could care less if you feel me, cause these are last words from the guilty. My execution song, you can go ahead and kill me.
Yeah, check it. Let me go on real quick. Yo, I can make it crazy, more crazy than it has to be. You be talking crazy, I be talking in catastrophes. Say I'm not a legend, it's the same as saying blasphemies. Taking them to school, no, I take them to academies. That is my son, you're stuck in my reality. I can see everything, you'll never have a strategy. Whoa. Did you feel the shift in the gravity? I don't have problems cause I solve them systematically. They say I'm kinda strange, then go and call me Hugo. Bark with all my dogs, Scoopy, Snoopy, Pluto, I've been doing fine. I can say, you know, one man, wolf pack, something like you go. They say I'm on that lame route, you can go complain now. There's 6 of me and 1 of you, now who be on that pain clown? You're rolling hip hop is as big as Mitzi's titties. That you don't understand, you'll never ever get me. My heart's been on lock, who's gonna hold my kidneys? And they is about as strong as the 50s. She's beautiful and smart, you know what I'm thinking. Why you on thoughts, your ideas is what I'm taking. I'm just saying, it's a crappy line about hating. Brandon, I don't make the rules, I just play along with fate, man. Known to be a pointer, but I never was a cursor. I'm the weapon X, now watch me go and get berserker. I'm out.